Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Chief Guest, respected HMs, valuable teachers, and my dear fellows. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Jogi from Government Primary School, Motivational. I read in grade 5. The topic of my speech is education. Education is one of the blessings of life and one of its necessities. Education is very important to all of us. Our home is our first school and our parents are our first teacher, where we learn how to behave to others. Education is the only key to success in personal and professional life. It provides us various types of knowledge and skills. If you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. Dear sisters and brothers, dear fellow children, we must work, not wait, not just the politicians in the one leader. We all need to contribute. Me, you, we. It is our duty. We realize the importance of light when we see darkness. We realize the importance of voice when we are silent. In the same way, when I look to backward areas of Pakistan, when we are silent, when we saw the guns, why is it that countries which we call strong are so powerful in creating but are so weak in bringing peace?